Hey, welcome to AI Command Academy. One of the overlooked features, this is available in the free and the pro version, is being able to change the tone fairly easily of your chat responses. So let's take a look.
So I'm just on the open chat for a new chat on Claude, and this is available on Pro and the free version. But if you see, what we're going to do here is we're going to select a style. I called it tone, but you select a style, and so it's available in this little configuration slider icon, and you click that, and you'll see it's got a little pen icon, and it's use style. And then some of these are my custom ones. So I created these styles. I'll show you that in a minute. But this is where you would load it. It defaults to normal, but you can see create and edit styles at the bottom here. And the preset ones, learning, concise, explanatory, and formal, are preset. This is the preset. For learning. Then I created one for no M dashes, clear tech translator, crisp clarity. I mean, for instance, I don't like oftentimes a lot of adjectives, and so that's where I specify that. So creating a custom style might be something that you want to do. And so there are a variety of ways you can do that. One is you can upload examples of your own writing, and then Claude will learn the style from those examples and use that if you select it. There's a couple different ways though. You can upload your own writing, or you can define the style objective. You can tailor to a specific audience. For instance, like tell me like it's fourth grade class or college level class or on a cruise or something like that. Use specific voice and tone. You just kind of go with your intuition here. And then just describe generally if you're kind of not sure, just kind of free form, and it will learn from that. The custom instructions, I didn't actually find a link for those for the specific style. The instructions from Claude to, what are these custom instructions supposed to look like? Because it does say Claude will ignore instructions that don't follow our guidelines. So sorry, I couldn't find the guidelines. It's very flexible. You can obviously have fun playing around with it. One of the biggest complaints from people I hear is that, especially now that we see so much AI content, that it's pretty easy now to pick up when someone's using AI. So I think even the default tone style of Claude is quite good. But you can achieve all sorts of different variations here. So we'll take a look in part 2 on how we can find writing examples very easy by connecting it to your Gmail, if you use Gmail, your Gmail account. So we'll take a look. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks a lot. Bye.